healthy? Do you even think much about your health? Most of my patients just assume that they will always have their health. Is this your attitude? Health is something we believe we will always have, and it usually doesn't even come up on our radar screen. As a physician, the major aspect of my job is informing my patients that they have lost their health in one way or another. Just imagine sitting in your doctor's office learning that you have developed rheumatoid arthritis, or lupus, or cancer, or maybe heart disease. Maybe you discover that you have become diabetic and that burning pain in your right leg is a result of developing diabetic neuropathy in your leg. As a physician, one of the most challenging things to do is to inform one of my patients and their family that they have early Alzheimer's dementia or Parkinson's disease. The only time I really see my patients become concerned about their health is after they've lost it. Once they realize that there is a serious problem, they are very interested in learning what they can do to protect their health. Why is it that most individuals do not even think much about their health until they lose it, or see one of their family members or loved ones lose their health? I personally believe that this is just human nature and the way many of us approach life. I also believe that the medical community and media are partly to blame because they present the physician and medical treatments as the answer to all of our problems. Many of my patients believe that when they become ill or develop any type of medical or surgical problem, all they have to do is go to their doctor and they will cure them. Therefore, why worry or do anything that may help you delay, avoid, or even possibly prevent you from losing your health? I have seen a drastic change in the landscape since I began focusing my medical practice on preventive and nutritional medicine. There is an entire army of people who desire to become more proactive in protecting their health. They see that the physician and medical community is not able to do much for their mother who had just developed macular degeneration and is losing her vision, or their grandfather who is struggling with Alzheimer's dementia. They see people like Muhammad Ali or Michael J. Fox who are receiving the absolute best care anyone could get from the medical community for their Parkinson's disease, and who are getting worse year after year in spite of all their medical treatments. My patients are not as concerned anymore about the years in their life as they are the quality of life in those years. What good does it do to live to a ripe old age of 93, like President Ronald Reagan did, and not be able to recognize your spouse or family for the last 10 years of your life? When an individual finally decides to become more proactive in protecting their health, they want to be sure that the time, the money, and effort they are expending to protect their health is going to be effective. There is so much garbage out there when it comes to your health and wellness. The media, medical community, the internet are filled with advice on what to do. Who can you trust? Well, this is the primary reason I have spent so much time researching the medical literature in regards to those healthy lifestyles and the nutritional supplementation that provides a health benefit to my patients. I desire to be the true healthcare professional you can trust. I want to guide you into those healthy lifestyles that give you the absolute best chance of protecting your health or allowing you to possibly even regain your health if you've already lost it. This is why I am sharing these medical minutes along with my books, CDs, videos, and my website. Once you have lost your health, there will hardly be a minute in your day that you will not be thinking about your health. However, the best time to think about your health is when you still have it. It is much easier to maintain your health than it is to try to regain it after you've lost it.